displacement on the local direction and the global direction. What is the relation between the q and the small q? Then the relation between K and K element stiffness matrix and the global stiffness matrix. Here, this is a global direction, and this is the K dash is the local direction. So that's all you have to remember. And what else you have to do? These three things you have to remember. Then we'll start with the problem. So can you take this problem? So this is in feet and inches. Just to do like that, and one more problem we will do in kilonewton and meter, the next subsequent problem. So just to note down this problem, it has got a hinge at the left end and a fixed support here, and it is subjected to a load of 5 kips, and if the span is 20 feet and the height is also 20 feet. Just to draw this diagram and mark it as the two members are there, 1 and 2, and degrees of freedom is horizontal 1, vertical 2, and the rotation 3. Then similarly here it is 4. Wherever you are getting the joint, you will have a displacement 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when you look at this case, you have number of elements are 2. Number of elements are 2. Number of nodes are 3. N is the node. That is 1, 2, 3. Nodes are 3. So degree of freedom is 9. That is possible degree of freedom. Possible degree of freedom is something may be restrained. If you take this one, all the degrees of freedom are restrained at the node number 3. Node number 3, all the degrees of freedom are restrained. Here you will have 1 and 2 are restrained. 1 and 2 are restrained. But what is that? 3 is not restrained. 3 is not restrained. So that is, sorry, this is a roller support. Roller support. So it is able to move in the horizontal direction. Roller. It's not hinge. It's a roller. So it will be able to move in the horizontal direction. So one is not. Wait. 1 minute. Wait. Hinge or roller. Two is restrained. Then 2 is restrained, 7 is restrained, 8 is restrained. Okay. This is the roller support only. This is a roller support. So 1 is not, it is not restrained. 1 is free. Then 3 is free. Only second, that is a vertical, it is restrained because it's a roller. Vertically, it is restrained. 1 and 3 are not free. Here 4 and 5, 6 are not free.